Your Excellency, I'm not here this afternoon to begin to enumerate all the things you have done for this local government. Many more people will say that. Your Excellency, we are getting very tired. We are getting tired because the begging is getting too much. You are begging too much for what we know is right. Your Excellency, we are going to deliver all our candidates from governorship right down to the House of Assembly. But let's not forget something. The first election is coming. The first election is coming. Your Excellency, we are tired. When I say we are tired, I mean we are tired. Those that don't want us, we don't want them. Your Excellency, we are tired. Those that hate River State, we hate them. Your Excellency, we are tired. We cannot continue. We cannot continue in this country and be a second-class citizen. Your Excellency, we are tired. And if that negotiation has not been fruitful today, we don't want any more result from it. We don't want any more result. That negotiation is manipulated. We have to work. Politics is interest. Politics is interest. Yes, people say, what is the traditional ruler coming to do here? Before traditional ruler, I was a politician. And I have not fully gone back to do what you people want me to do. Therefore, I will continue to wear those two caps until when I think I can go back. I am here because as Emohua local government, you have done well. And we must tell the people you have done well. I'm not going to enumerate them. Appointment, roles, days, more than what we deserve. But we're still waiting. But I think that waiting should end because Oga, like he gay, say like he, even maybe shinga or say like he. Make out. We are tired. Thank you very much. God bless you.
Ladies and gentlemen.